Now this is one we don't see very often, and that's those Toon Boys down there just absolutely straight sending it through the inlet, especially on a rough day. But welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at beautiful Haulover Inlet here in Miami. And hopefully the rest of our captains today have the same kind of luck as this crew, as the Pontoon Boys sent her in and made it in without fail. But let's see how the rest of our captains fare. And that's going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a Nortec in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go, round one, ring the bell, as our crew starts to work their way out. So Cap's choosing the slow roll approach. On a day like today, not necessarily a bad thing. It is pretty rough, and there's some big yacht traffic coming through, as you saw, as they try to work their way out. So what Cap's got going on here is he's trimmed those motors up a little bit. He's keeping it just off of plane, actually. And what that winds up doing is helping the boat get that little extra bit of bow lift. Now, she's not on plane, not running her most efficient, but what it does do is try and make sure this boat doesn't wind up stuffing it, and they don't. They wind up safely making it out of Haulover on what looks like a pretty rough day with the Whitecaps in the background, giving the boats an early 1-0 edge as we move into the second round of our competition. And here in the second round, the boats are going to toss a statement in the ring to go ahead and see if they can keep that momentum going. Now, this captain is choosing a different approach. He's barely got the boat up on plane, which still gives you a little bit of that bow lift. But as you can see here, we got some big rollers punching through right at this moment, and they are going for a little bit of a wild ride as they try and make their way out. They do make it past the mouth of the inlet, but now they got to contend with those bigger rollers that are just on the outside. I often say this when we're in the middle of this contest and it's a rough day like today. I just don't know where anybody's going. I mean, it's not like there's a sandbar out here you're heading out to. You got to be either going to a different inlet or something, but I don't know why. It's just a rough day, and I would definitely be riding the inside. But this crew winds up stuffing it as they choose to take the outside. It's just a small stuffing, but this boat gets absolutely vertical. You can see that tower shake as they come back down. Man, it is a rough ride on this one, and Cap does wind up making one good choice in this thing, and that is turning it around and doing the old Haulover U-turn and limping his way back into the inlet. Again, rough day. I'm not sure where they were trying to head to, but wherever it was, Cap's made the right call by going ahead and turning it back around and bringing it back in. But unfortunately for this crew, that does mean they're gonna wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the second round. And the tough part of this one is coming back in sometimes is just as difficult as going out. With those heavy following seas, it can get a little tricky, kind of like we see here as you start catching waves in front of you. That wave pushes up behind you, it winds up dropping that bow and you can get in trouble. But this crew looks like they're gonna be okay and live to fight another day. And of course, that's gonna move us into the third round of our contest. We are now tied at 1 apiece. Here in the third round, the boats are going to toss a mag bang in the ring to see if they can go ahead and try and get that edge back. But let's go, round 3. Our crew is working their way in. So it looks like this crew is going to go ahead and go with more of that up on plane approach, but they're going to have to take it cautiously. Again, heavy following sea with all these Whitecaps out here. It is a really rough day at Haulover. Right now, they look pretty solid. Pretty big boat with huge freeboard up front, which really helps them out as they just wind up slicing through these waves and keeping that bow high. And this crew makes it look easy compared to some of the other stuff we've seen, and easily takes a win for the boats in the third round, which will bring us to the fourth round of our contest as we are now seeing the boats with a 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round. Here in the fourth round, the boats are going to toss a panga in the ring to see if they can go ahead and close this one out early. Our crew has to halt, almost bring it to a stop because it's so rough and there's so much traffic. So Captain tries to pick the pace back up here, but unfortunately, Haulover's having control. Now, this is not a terrible approach, and not that anything's overly wrong, but the one thing you do notice is Haulover is in control of this approach. Haulover is dictating what this crew does, and by doing that, I have to lean toward Haulover and give Haulover the win to bring us back to a 2-2 tie and move us to a fifth round of our contest. And here in the fifth round, the boats are going to toss a cigarette in the ring to see if they can close it out and wind up taking a win. And to top it off, we got one of those full send captains trying to make their way toward the mouth of Haulover. He's got this boat ripping up on plane and plans to just power his way straight on through. And right here we can see it as they and make their way toward the mouth. Things look pretty good, and Cap's not going to have any issues powering his way in and taking a win for the boats, which means the boats are going to take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.